All right, so I just got this new snow cone machine and it works pretty good. I'm pretty impressed by it. Like, you just put some ice cubes in there. We have nugget ice, so maybe it doesn't shave quite as good as like standard ice cubes, but it makes this really good, you know, snow cone consistency. Mix quite a bit, even just with one container full of it. So let me just turn this on and show you how it works. Automatically shuts off so you don't hurt yourself, but there's a blade in there that goes really fast and shaves down your ice, and it makes all this snow cone stuff. So then you can just use the scoop they provide, and actually this stuff turned out a lot better than my first attempt. Put it in the cones that they give you, which are reusable cones, so you don't have to use those cheap paper ones. And then you can add your syrup, which they don't give you syrup, but you can just buy some syrup. I got this blueberry stuff. I'm going to put that in there and see how it looks. And there it is. We're going to try it. Tastes just like the snow cones I used to get as a kid. I like them. They're good. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.